Better. Sorry.
Actress.
ahoma so domi abra eho anyway di dwumadi ye baba show dwumadi ni so your friend is say ahema kokobe ana mo wa mo ye modwuma omu ye
Papa Wofa. I'm a young artist now, because I remember say first time I try movie say you know Michiano 101 ma to me for say one of my why continue wa I'm paying for you say buza for na yako yeah
all right I can't penny some dey so wa yakwala it only on ka Bishop Benadiako ba wo no e dey na wo dey e kai papa no
say me can one day na me was set and you know on say of course set out me try one scene pe two scenes but na my dey no better me nchen minim ni da wo no I star all right tell me you say there what me try one scene pe na me say there bi adwuma no sha ase a say ya ba wo nya abotra e be wie ofa I have you comedy. To me can
say your fan say you free Bishop Benadiako nyakuna yasi wia ye ko obia eye na dwuma be you comedy nim say muguso amu ye dwuma a mo de ba amafo bebre na nim say ye comedy na mo ye now more intention be say ebia dachi bi mo baba be sini ankesa ama manfo
yeah so Kumawood movie I can see that it's coming back. And we are really ready, and we are ready, 100% ready for movies and series. Yeah.
You say my band my baba minimum say Imadex TV there ye no mo wo sa nyakofa no ye be ko so na ye no mo
Agitin pension.
What's that? Agitin pension. What's that? Nyame sha ye be share bi why